This 2022 Corvette C8 came in for paint protection film and window tinting. For the window tint, we did our i3 multi-layer ceramic tint in the darkest legal shade, 35%, on the 2 doors and the port window back here. This blocks 93% of the infrared heat, 99% UV. And then on the full windshield, we did our clear air ceramic, which blocks 68% of the infrared heat and 99% UV. This one doesn't darken the windshield at all, and it is completely North Carolina legal. And for the paint protection film, we applied our track pack coverage option, which covers the full hood, the full fenders, full front bumper, headlights, and specifically on the C8s, this carbon flash area on the front. Mirror caps, A-pillars, roof line, the rocker panels down here, which comes all the way over this way and up. And then this customer also wanted to add coverage on the door sills on the inside, which is where you step in on the inside, as well as the rear splash area down here. You can kind of see that line right here on the film. And paint protection film helps protect the paint from any rocks that will come up and chip the paint. And it's a good option for a lot of vehicles that are low to the ground, such as this one.